Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Te, for being an extra sibling to us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Te. Unta, stay what you are.
Happy birthday, Te! Thank you for everything. You know na, basta, stay healthy, guwapa, o madato pa unta ka, kay pardagan malipay.
Happy birthday, Che! Padayon yung pagkabuotan, o yung pagkagwapa.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Te Aimee! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Te Aimee! Salamat sa mong pagkamaayo na mo.
Samot na ni Mama na nahimo kang panganay, original. Amping, kalingaw, pag-amping. Thank you sa tanan. Ang tatagaan pa kag daghang blessings aron daghan po kang ma-share sa ubang tao. Bye-bye! Thank you! Happy birthday!
Hello! Happy birthday, Che! God bless! Ingat lagi!
Happy birthday, Te!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninang Aimee!
Hi, Te! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you so much for everything and more birthdays to come.
Happy 40th birthday, Aimee. Thank you very much sa imong pagka-generous not only to your relatives but also to your friends. Pati na mo, thank you. Wishing you all the best in life. I hope na natagaan pa ka ni Lord o dugang nga kinabuhi para makahatag pa ka sa uban o kalipay. Once again, happy birthday and see you here in Pinas in a few days. Thank you.
Happy birthday, guwapa! Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo na yan kung ano. At saka ano, patuloy kang magiging mabait. Blessing. Sana maraming mo pang matulungan. At saka ano, enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday! Amasi!
Hi, Tammy. Happy birthday. Unta tagaan pa ka ni Lord og daghan pang mga katuigan nga moapot sa imong kinabuhi. Maadjong panglawas nimo og sa imong pamilya. Salamat. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Happiest birthday and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Che!
Happy birthday, Ate Aimee! Wishing you all the best in life.
Good health and happiness always.
More birthdays to come.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Aimee!
Happy birthday, Mommy! Enjoy your day!
More birthdays to come. God bless you. We love you.
Hi, Aimee. Happy birthday. More years to come. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Aimee. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Che. More blessings and birthdays to come. God bless and more power. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Aimee. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday,
Tita Amy, I love you.
Happy birthday, Miat. God bless. Wish you more birthdays to come and happiness in life. Thank you sa imong kamayong tao. O continue to being kind to us. God bless.
Mayong udto. Mayong adlaw sa imong natawhan. Happy birthday. Una sa tanan, salamat kayo sa imong mga libre sa kuha. O sa mga tao nga napalipay nimo. Salamat kayo. Ginatunta nga padayon pa ka sa imuhang kamayo. O sa way puwas nga pagmahal sa imuhang mga kaliwat. Hanggang ngayong salamat and God bless. More blessings to come. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. We love you. Bye.
Hi, Che! Hi, Amy! Happy birthday! Ingat palagi! See you soon! Bye!
Hi, Che! Happy birthday! Sana marami pang birthday darating. Saka, walang sawang suporta sa akin. Lahat ng hinihingi, mayroon. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Madam. Si Ate Amy, napaka-generous na tao din. So, wish ko sa'yo, sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng maraming blessings para madami ka pang ma-share sa amin. Charot. Happy birthday. Good health always and see you soon. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ate Amy. God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Amy.
Hello, Amy. Happy birthday sa iyo dyan sa Japan. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong karawan at sana marami mong lasing na mga kasamahan at more birthday you come. Sana maligayang ka sa araw na ito at naabot namin dito na sa Pilipinas na happy birthday ulit sa iyo at thank you so much at bye at happy birthday na lang ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Amy. Ingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong na binigay mo sa amin. See you soon.
Amy, happy birthday. So thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa lahat ng blessing na share mo din sa amin. And sana happy ka dito sa aming handa para sa'yo. Enjoy your day. More blessing to come. And always be happy. So see you next month. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, May. Salamat sa binigay mong pulutan. Sana next year baka na.
Birthday, Mommy. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Sorry kay kalingaw ka makaitog tungod na mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Hi, babatiin ko lang ang aking partner sa hirap, sa problema, sa saya. Walang sawang sumuporta at umintindi sa lahat ng kakulitan namin. Ang nag-iisang Amy Maida ng buhay ko. Happy birthday. I love you at maraming salamat sa lahat. More birthdays pa. Good health. God bless.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Oh, thank you for the happiest year of my life. Yeah. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Happy birthday to you. Sana'y malasing mo kami.